What I love about the Fletcher School is the diversity and overall vastly global perspectives that are brought to every single dialogue.
There's so many incredible professors here with real-world experience.
There's flexibility to really chart your own course here.
One of the things that really sets Fletcher apart is the professors really make an effort to get to know their students.
Fletcher's very well known for shaping global affairs through our people and our ideas. The graduates and our alumni enter the world and they actually shape global affairs through their work.
The reason I wanted to apply to Fletcher is because it was an APSIA accredited school, so I knew it would be an internationally recognized degree of the greatest quality.
Fletcher has 56% international students, which makes our community so diverse. And that really helps me with my learning to talk to different people from different cultures.
The Fletcher School as a community and as a culture is inclusive, it's thought-provoking, it's deeply intellectual, it's research-oriented, and it allows you to make an impact in the world.
Fletcher aligns itself with current world issues by staying ahead of the curve. We were one of the first schools to establish a new program in gender, and our latest field of study is technology and international affairs. The challenges that the world is confronting in terms of addressing artificial intelligence, the ethics, the privacy issues, all of those topics we now have in our curriculum.
What's unique to Fletcher compared to most other institutions is the ability to customize your degree. They also have a really neat thing called the independent study program, where if a class doesn't exist, you can just chat with the professor, find some subjects you want to learn about, and create your own class.
Fletcher is deeply committed to experiential learning by doing.
Just last month, I was in Iceland as part of the Arctic Circle Assembly delegation. I got an opportunity to pitch ideas on how they would innovatively deal with the Arctic problem. It was fantastic.
The professors here are really helpful in connecting students with alumni who are working in the fields that they're interested in.
Every year, Fletcher leads 2 career tracks, to Washington, D.C. to New York City. Across both of them, you see an enormous alumni group that's diverse, that's represented across multiple different industries. It allows you to be able to map your future in a way that's really profound.
Fletcher alumni are everywhere. They're successful, they're happy, they're making a difference in the world, and it's carved a very clear path for current students to follow.
Students graduating from the school go in equal measure to the private sector, to government, and to intergovernmental organizations like the United Nations or World Bank or other nonprofit organizations.
The Tufts campus is just such a beautiful place. It's located on a hill. You can see the Boston skyline in the distance, and it's just so picturesque.
There's at least 44 universities within 50 miles. It's relatively common for students to go over to another school in the area and attend a conference or a speech.
The future of the Fletcher School is bright because of our people. We all come together as part of the great Fletcher family, and we can accomplish great things together by investing in each other.
What I really appreciate about my Fletcher education is that it really equipped me with the tenacity and grit and perseverance that is going to set me up for success in the rest of my life.